welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Nava Rose. Today's video I think is the first on my channel, I believe. Today we are talking about skincare. I'll be sharing my highly requested morning and nighttime skincare routine because I posted this video revealing my age on my 30th birthday and it actually went pretty viral on TikTok and on Twitter, and so many of the comments were asking about my skincare routine. Disclaimer, everyone, I am not a dermatologist. I am not a skincare expert. I'll be honest, I don't really know much about ingredients and what they do. I just really know the basics, some properties, and what works well for my skin. Another disclaimer is that what works well for my skin may not work well on everyone else's skin. For example, my best friend Princess literally only uses soap and water, whereas I have a 10-step skincare routine. So everyone's face differs. So again, I'm not here to educate. I'm just making this because you all asked for it. Ask, you shall receive. All right, let's jump into my skincare routine. Good morning. Never filmed one of these before, so you gotta bear with me because usually I just do my skincare routine and not talking to anyone, let alone a camera. All right, so the first thing that I do is wash my face. So I've been using the Ole Henriksen Truth Juice Cleanser. A tip that I got from Sachu. I like to rub it together in my hands first, and then I will gently rub it on my face. That way I'm not like rubbing like really hard on my face or anything like that, because that's what I used to do before. I would put the product on my hands and then I would rub it into my face, and I just felt it was so abrasive. Is that even the right word? It was just so harsh. Clean. I wipe my hand on my regular towel, and then I actually dry my face with a separate microfiber cloth. It's really soft. I don't like rub my face dry, I just like pat it. Before I would just wipe my face with my regular bath towel, but what I learned is that the towel rack is most likely right next to your toilet. So when you flush, a lot of the things might possibly get on the towel, and you don't want to put that kind of stuff on your face. So now I just have a separate towel. Done with the cat ears. Alright, so the next thing that I do is go in with a toner. Honestly, I'm kind of indifferent about toners. In my opinion, I'm not really sure if toners help or they're just kind of there and I could just totally go without it. Just the usual. Get a little cotton ball, pour some of that bad boy into there. I like to stick the cotton ball on my forehead while I'm putting it away. I don't know, it's just a habit. Any beauty gurus watching this right now, please do not come for me. I am not a beauty guru. I just know what works for my skin, what I've tried and what I've experimented, so I am very open to any tips, any advice. Look how dirty that is. That is crazy, and I've already washed my face twice now since I've worn makeup. The next product that I am applying onto my face is from the brand COSRX, who are the sponsors of today's video. They are a very popular K-beauty brand that focuses a lot on lifestyle, simple key ingredients, and providing high quality products at an affordable cost. I remember the very first COSRX product that I ever used was their acne pimple patch, and ever since then I really love the brand. I would say a good majority of my skincare products that I use are from K-beauty brands because, I mean, let's be real, when it comes to skincare, Koreans really know what they're doing. Like, have you seen their skin? It's flawless, like every single one of them. COSRX products are really gentle, which works great for my really sensitive skin, and it leaves my skin feeling very pillowy, soft, and hydrated. Well, look at my face. They do their best to listen and create a product tailored to their customers' skincare needs so that their customers can wake up the next day, feel refreshed, and feel a step closer towards healthy looking skin. Hence the name of their vision, Expecting Tomorrow. While my skin is a little damp, I like to go in with the COSRX Propolis Light Ampoule. So I will just add little teardrops there. If you don't know what propolis is, it's this kind of material produced by bees. A lot of people call it bee glue, and it's basically a mixture of their saliva and beeswax. After the ampoule, I'll use COSRX Snail Radiance Dual Essence. It is pretty slimy if you've never used any snail products before. One pump works well for my whole face. Any residue left on my palm, I'll just gently add it to my neck. Most of you have watched a lot of skincare videos and know that after applying your serums or your moisturizers or your cream, to always just pat it into your skin. This is just tips and tricks and advice that I've picked up from other skincare videos and what they've told me to do. So I'm just following it. There's also this ingredient called niacinamide that I've been trying out recently, and this dual essence from COSRX has niacinamide included into it. After I apply my essence, I go in with a face roller just to reduce any puffiness. I actually keep this in my fridge. I have my own separate mini fridge where I keep some of my skincare products. I don't have to keep my face roller in the fridge. I don't have to keep my moisturizer in the fridge, but it just feels so nice when you put it on. After I use my face roller, I will go in with my Augustinus Butter Cream. The Augustinus Butter Cream uses TFC8 technology, which basically helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, redness, basically everything that deals with aging. And then I like to add a little bit onto my neck as well. Your neck does age, so even though you take care of this, you also gotta take care of this, right? All right, so my last step is, of course, sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I use is Shiseido's SPF 50. My friend Tiff showed me this one. She's like, this is my favorite sunscreen of all time. Ever since I've tried it, I have been using it since. I literally use this every single day if I am just sitting at home, if I'm going out. I've tried a lot of sunscreens and this is the best one that I have tried so far. So that is my skincare routine for the morning time. There are a few more things that I do with my skincare routine, so I'm going to show you those right now. So one of the things I do is incorporate COSRX's Snail 96 Mucin Essence into my makeup routine by mixing it with my CC cream. I use a 1:1 ratio, so 1 part foundation or CC cream to half a part of Snail Essence. This essence is also great by itself, like even world-class celebrities swear by the COSRX Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence for treating stressed skin. My foundation used to look really caked on, but now I feel like my foundation looks more natural, it looks dewy and hydrated. I also do face yoga every single day for 10 minutes straight. So the concept is that you work out your body to stay fit, right? But your face also has muscles, so why not work out your face as well? I know I look crazy, but would you rather look crazy for 10 minutes out of the day, or would you rather have saggy face muscles? I hardly ever break out anymore, but when I do, I use COSRX's acne patches when I need to. There are these little clear patches that you put over your pimple and it absorbs the impurities and protects the pimple from becoming even more irritated. Last week, I woke up with this huge friend on my cheek, so I used one of the patches overnight and this is what it looked like the next day. It's a bit hard to see in the video, but the white tip of the pimple went away and it was significantly flatter. This video is from 5 days after using the patch. Welcome to my night skincare routine. It was a long and productive day, as you can tell by the state of my skin. It's no longer a pile of grease because I take care of my skin now. First things first is remove my makeup, and I like to use Vanilla Co.'s cleansing balm. Take a little bit here on my nail and I just smear it on my face. I really like the idea of double cleansing, so this balm is the oil part of the cleanser and it just removes all your makeup and all of the gross stuff, and then you cleanse it again with your facial cleanser. After my balm has melted, I just wipe away all the makeup. Gotta put my cat ears on. Now I'm going to wash my face with my Ole Henriksen face wash. So I did my usual face wash steps. I don't think I mentioned this in my morning routine, but when I do wash my face, I rub the cleanser for about 30 seconds. So usually by this time I have a little bit of makeup around my eyes. So I use Garnier's Micellar Water. All right, next step is toner. But for the nighttime, it is a little different. Now I'm going in with a cotton pad. I soak it in toner, but this time I'm gonna apply it with my Nava face massager tool. You just pop off the cap, put the toner pad on, and you pop it back on. It's this massaging tool. It helps to penetrate serums and moisturizers into your skin. I'm using the cleanup mode, which basically helps to pull out impurities. This is my cotton pad. Gross. This next step is a little odd. This is a little bottle of rice water that I've pulled from when I cooked rice. I will put some in this eyedropper. I just shower in rice water. I feel like my skin has gotten better over the years. Not really sure if it's because of the rice water or all the skin products that I have been using, but it didn't harm my face, so I've continued to use it. The next step, I actually alternate between a bunch of different things. I will alternate between a face mask, my serum, clay mask, or a peeling gel. Today I'm gonna use Face Story's Glow Baby Glow. I place it on the counter and I kind of just massage it like this and make sure the essence is all over the sheet because it has been standing in one spot for I don't even know how many weeks. A little crazy for the next 15 minutes. Sheet mask feel so good. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I like to open up the pouch, get whatever serum is in there, and then put the serum on my neck. Hello, give you extra serum for a reason. And then I take my good old trusty Nava massager. They have a mask setting, so I am going to be using that. Pat the rest of the essence into your skin. Usually I would stop there. I'll just go in with a moisturizer and then call it a day. But for the sake of this video, I am going to go in with a serum. I just have a ton of serum, so depending on what I feel my skin needs, then I'll just pick and choose that serum. I will alternate between the Snail 96 Essence, hydrating serums like this one from First Aid Beauty, or I have lifting serum, so I just have a ton of different ones. But today we are going to use this itty bitty tiny one from Suvisu. As if I don't already add enough skincare onto my face, there are a few products that I do want to talk about that I don't do every single day, but I do at least do once a week. Every Sunday I will use a peeling gel. Basically, you just take a glob of it, rub it on your face, and then you slowly just keep massaging it. Takes out any impurities and gently exfoliates your skin. It leaves your skin feeling so incredibly soft. I love peeling gels so much. Before I used to use a face brush, but I no longer do that. I only use like chemical exfoliants or peeling gels. This Anjo snail peeling gel is one of the first snail products I've ever started using in my skincare routine. I have this little friend, her name is Stella. She's the cutest person in the world. I personally think she has great skin, and one day she looked at me and she said, "You have texture on your skin. You should use this." I was very skeptical because I've never tried any snail products before, and so I was really excited when COSRX sent me their snail line, because ever since this peeling gel, I've been just so intrigued with skincare products that have snail in it. I will also use my Gua Sha massaging tool with the dermalogical facial oil. I will just add a couple drops onto my face and then massage it with my Sachu Gua Sha tool. Thank God that she created a stainless steel tool. I broke my other massaging tool because it was made out of rose quartz and I shattered it. So next up we have the moisturizer. This is their Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This stuff is pretty slimy. It has 92% snail mucin in it. That's a lot of snail mucin. That's basically 8% away of it being an actual snail on your face. I'm pretty sure that's not really how it works. I will just add it all over my face. I like to spread the product all over my face first, and then I will go in with my trusty Nava tool. We're gonna use moisture. If there are any Chloe fans out there, you all probably know what this is. This was Seti's face massaging tool that was featured in episode 10. I saw her using it, and of course I know it was a marketing tactic, but it worked. I bought it. I honestly just use eye cream because I know I have to use eye cream because I am getting older, you know, and as the older you get, the more you have to take care of your skin. So I'm just using eye cream as more of a preventative measure currently. I'm using this one from First Aid Beauty. This is their retinol eye cream, and the eye cream is officially my last step in my nighttime skincare routine. It is now time for bed. Good night. Alright, so that's it for my current skincare routine. I hope you all enjoyed it and saw some products or some tips that you may want to incorporate into your current skincare routine. I will link all the products featured in today's video in the description box. Do not forget to check out COSRX and all the great products that they offer. If you tried any of the products that I talked about in my skincare routine, let me know how you like it, if it worked for your skin, if it didn't work for your skin. I'm just curious. If you want to connect with me, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the.navarose. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and my TikTok for content that you will normally not see on my YouTube channel. And I believe that is it. I love you all so much. Until next time, bye.
I'ma wake up, do